Hello everyone and welcome to the Money Maker Machine channel, your go-to for stock moves that actually matter. October 28 is earning Armageddon. Over 100 companies dropping numbers that could flip the market. From the top 10 giants I covered last time, I have zeroed in on 5 with the freshest news. Stuff that's screaming beat or miss loud and clear. Why this? I scored headlines. Visa is on fire with crypto plays, United Health getting hammered by Medicare cuts, Novartis is taking wins on drugs, Next Era's riding the AI power wave, and Royal Caribbean, their news ship could sail shares higher, or a virus outbreak sinks them. These aren't guesses, real news that could push EPS up or drag it down, spiking stock prices 5-10% overnight. If you are riding and trading, this is your edge. New here? Hit subscribe for more breakdowns. Let's jump in, rank by potential drama. Okay, so first up, the payment king everyone is watching, and this is Visa. I picked Visa because their latest move screams growth. They are testing a stablecoin pilot through Visa Direct that's already boosting cross-border payments by 8% this year. Plus, Q3 revenue forecast hit $10.6 billion, up 10% with analysts like KeyCorp hiking full-year EPS to $11.63. This could easily beat and rocket shares by 5 to 7%. Visa powers the cards in your wallet. Every swipe, tap, or online buy funnels fees their way, processing trillions globally without lending a dime. Consensus EPS is $2.96, up 9% from last year, $2.71. Their Q2 crashed with 14% revenue jump to $10.2 billion. Speaking about the news that's moving the needle, that stablecoin test just launched at CBOS 2025, unlocking faster global cash for businesses. Think crypto meets everyday banking. No big negatives. Consumer spending's holding despite jitters. Prediction: they beat big. Stock jumps to $350. If you are long payment, load up now. The next company to watch is United Health Group with a market cap of over $300 billion. United Health tops my negative watch because they are dumping over 100 Medicare Advantage plans, hitting hundreds of thousands of members amid a $6.5 billion medical cost explosion. AM Best just downgraded their ratings and shares are down 40% from highs. This could slash Q3 EPS and tank the stock another 5%. They insure millions via plans like Medicare and run Optum for docs, meds, and tech, basically the engine of US healthcare. EPS forecast is $2.80, down huge from $7.15 last year. Accounting tweaks, but real cost bite. Revenue eyes at $113 billion, up 12%. The fresh dirt is that exiting those plans signals strategy shift from unprofitable Medicare mess with trending hitting 7.5% cost in 2025. Piper Sandler bumped targets, calling it prescient, but Goldman and others worry on enrollment drops. Prediction: miss of costs, shares dip to $340. Health stocks are brutal, short if you dare. The next company from the list is Novartis, ticker NVS, with a market cap of $260 billion. Novartis made my list for pure upside. Q2 sales soared 11%, core income up 21%, and they just bought Regulus Therapeutics for $0.8 billion to supercharge kidney drugs. Raised full-year guidance, this pipeline firepower could crush Q3 and lift share with 4 to maybe to 6%. Swiss pharma pros making hard meds like Entresto and cancer fighters lifesaver for tough diseases. EPS expected is $2.26, up 10% for $2.06. Sales growth at 11% constant currency. Hot off of the press is that the Regulus deal adds game-changing therapies, and the new CFO Mukul Mehta starts soon for steady ops. Q2 beats estimates across the board, but watch Promacta generics dragging 9%. The prediction is that beat on oncology sales, stock climbs up to $130. Pharmas can rebound, buy from the long haul. Now, the next company from the list is NextEra Energy, ticker NEE, with a market cap of $171 billion. I chose NextEra because they are the clean energy champ cashing in on AI data centers. Barclays just hyped target to $87 on EV and 5G demand. Q2 was strong, and with renewable policy wins, this could beat and push shares with 3 maybe to 5%. This company ran Florida's top utility plus huge wind and solar farms, powering homes green without coal headaches. The EPS forecast is $1.04, flat from $1.03, but full year is already up to $3.68. They have beaten 4 straight quarters. The breaking news regarding this company is that surging power needs from AI boom have analysts like beating starting buy ratings. Senate preserved tax credits in the Trump bill, dodging a bullet. Stock is up 15% lately on grid updates. My prediction is that will be a solid beat and it will hit $85. Green energy is hot, it's your EV play. And now the last one, but not the last one, of course, the Royal Caribbean Cruises, ticker RCL, with a market cap of $86 billion. The Royal Caribbean is my wildcard pick. Why? New icon ships like Legend of the Seas launching with immersive train dining could pack bookings, but norovirus could outbreak second 100 on Serenade, sparking bad news. Yields is up 5%, but healthcares might miss and drop shares by 4 to 6%. They sell mega ships like Icon of the Seas, Family Adventure on floating resorts worldwide. The EPS eyed its $5.67, up from $5.20. Q2 loads factory hits 110%, guiding $15 full year. The latest drama is that construction started on fourth Icon ship plus Royal Railway dining debuts in 2026, and this is boosting Europe and Caribbean demand, but CDC flagged that norovirus hit on the 13-day cruise right before the Miami dock. Fuel steady, but outbreaks kill vibes. The prediction is that if clean bill beat and surge to $310, if the virus fallout, it will go deep. Travel is booming and you can bet on recovery. And now there it is, my 5 to October 28 earnings that could make headlines. Visa and Novartis for gains, UNH and RCL for risk. NextEra is steady in the mix. Remember, Visa's crypto push and Novartis buy scream upside. UNH, Medicare mess and RCL outbreak, red flags waving. The trade mart. This could swing big. What's your play? Drop in the comments your reaction and your favorite stock. Like if this fired you up, subscribe for more tomorrow deep dives and share with your trading crew. Let's make this go viral. See you in the next time. Stay profitable and thank you of course for your time and see you next time. Bye.